Hey guys, we got a 3D printed battery holder here. Now this is for Milwaukee M18 batteries, and I'm just gonna put one of these batteries in and show you guys how it locks in. It locks in very nicely, and it doesn't come off unless you press the trigger and take it out. So it locks in very nicely and it's secure. It does lock in from one point, so I'm gonna put it in my rolling pack out here. Now this is the one with the drawers, so it's a little bit different than the previous, well, not, I shouldn't say previous generation, but the other stuff that that came out with before without the drawers, the lid system. So it does have a aluminum bar here, so this is where we're gonna connect to, and this is the bit you're gonna need. Unfortunately, they didn't provide any. This is a very odd bit, square 2. So unless you have this, you don't. You know what I mean? Okay, I thought I was just gonna have to assemble this, but it looks different. So these are tighteners. So we're gonna tighten this up with this, but in order to install this, we really have to take this bar out and then do it that way. That adds to the challenge a little bit, for sure. For that to happen, we might have to. We'd have to take this bar off, take the wheel off, take the bar off, and then do this installation. It would sit right here, and the battery would go right here. Yeah, that's a lot of work. I really was hoping it turns out to be something like this. This is a Packout original thing from Milwaukee, so you just kind of screw this down. It's like a latch thing. You clamp it on and then you screw it down for tension, and it doesn't move anywhere. This is the type of stuff I was hoping for, but not it. I guess with a little bit of patience and whatnot, you could get that done. But I'm not doing all that work. I'm just gonna throw my batteries right in here. Thanks for watching.